Authentic dulce de calabaza en tacha, Mexican candied pumpkin. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 8 to 10 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 to 5 pounds Castilla pumpkin, 4 cups water, 1.5 pounds piloncillo cones, 3 pieces Ceylon cinnamon sticks, 6 pieces whole cloves, 2 pieces star anise, 2 strips orange peel, a half teaspoon salt, 4 pieces guava, 2 pieces sugar cane sticks. Step 1. Prepare the pumpkin by scrubbing the exterior skin thoroughly. Cut it in half, scoop out the seeds and stringy pulp, save the seeds for roasting later, and slice the flesh into 3 to 4 inch wedges or squares, leaving the skin on to help the pieces hold their shape. Step 2. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, a Dutch oven or a traditional olla de barro works best. Combine the 4 cups of water with the piloncillo cones, cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, and orange peel. Step 3. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until the piloncillo cones have completely dissolved into a dark, fragrant syrup. Step 4. Once the piloncillo is dissolved, lower the heat to a simmer and add the salt. If using sugar cane or guavas, add them to the liquid now to begin infusing their flavor. Step 5. Carefully place the pumpkin pieces into the pot. Start by placing a layer of pumpkin with the skin side facing up. This allows the flesh to absorb the syrup directly from the bottom. Step 6. Continue layering the pumpkin pieces, alternating directions. The steam trapped between the layers will help cook the top pieces even if they aren't fully submerged. Step 7. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer gently for about 45 to 60 minutes. Step 8. Check the pumpkin for tenderness by piercing a piece with a fork. It should be soft but not falling apart. The pumpkin will have released its own juices, increasing the liquid volume. Step 9. Remove the lid and use a large spoon to carefully baste the top pumpkin pieces with the hot syrup. This ensures an even, glossy glaze. Step 10. Continue simmering uncovered for another 30 to 40 minutes. This allows the syrup to reduce and thicken into a honey-like consistency, the tacha stage. Step 11. The pumpkin is ready when the flesh has turned a deep, translucent mahogany color and the syrup coats the back of a spoon. Step 12. Turn off the heat and let the pumpkin sit in the syrup for at least 20 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the flavors to settle and the texture to become perfectly jammy. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.